I'm currently standing in front of my parents' house waiting for the results of a rapid test to see if I can hang out with them for Lunar New Year. My mom's taking photos of me. 2 more minutes. 6 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. We are negative. Negative! Yeah!
Finally!
Mommy did it!
Finally, huh?
Mom, what do we make?
蛋饺.
Why do we make 蛋饺?
It's like a Chinese New Year traditional dish.
Why?
It's had a good meaning.
What's the meaning?
Golden dumpling. Maybe, I know. I have to check. I'm not sure.
Fact checker.
我味道搞得好的啦，我里向用个 mushroom 啊，还有鸡汤。
My arm's cramping. Dad! Come get your matcha! For lunch, I'm gonna make some masaman curry. I brought a can of curry paste from my apartment and coconut milk. Parents only have red onions, so we're gonna use that. And some chicken that my mom has. I also brought eggplant and kale, which I feel like is the best. Well, it's like the best option that I have, and then bok choy. And potatoes. Quintessential Chinese household knife. Curry!
Yeah, curry. 好吃的 restaurant style. Restaurant order 这样 right? 啊
Lime leaf. It's a lime tree.
如果冇啲湯咧，個 calling。
Oh no. Oh yeah.
이거 비록 또 소리 비록 빌딩 예사就是讲一个大会没就是讲包括所有生活是不是所以人在讲在有一种个 knowledge 个什么个
It is time for Dad's haircut. This is the before. Good for your haircut?
Yay!
While my dad's getting a haircut, we're gonna make some cookies with ripe bananas and oatmeal. Okay, a few for the cookie and one for me. Wow! No, it's okay. I like muyu okay now. It's okay now. 네 muyu ba?
You're looking at the granites of Manila Village.
火锅小一副去fil片，凉拌干丝，也个这拌不一样的，
It's okay. I don't need
都
it.
干肉丝。
For lunch, we ordered from one of my favorite spots that I've loved since I was like a little kid, and they specialize in like lampan Thai, which is like Chinese cold dishes and side dishes, and they also have like hot foods. But I always loved it for the cold dishes, and if you go to the restaurant, you walk in and it's just like a counter full of different side dishes you can choose from. And so usually when you go to a restaurant, they'll give you congee, but since we ordered takeout, like we can just make our own congee. So we have congee, and then the other things we got are the jellyfish, which is my second favorite. The marinated cucumbers, which are my favorite. And then we have a lotus root salad. I think this one's kind of gingery. Pork belly that's braised with these bean butter knots. And then this one I've never had before, but it's like yuba rolls that are fried and I think in a spicy sauce. Not very spicy. And the last one is pork knuckle, but I don't really like to eat pork knuckle because I find it to be a lot of work for very little return. So who's gonna say, why do we eat 年糕?
年年高啊，年年长得高。
年年高兴，步步高升。
什么意思？
每年的开心，每天的开心。高升就是step up。花草本是有情物啊，你得伊拉好伊拉晓得个。
What are we doing, Dad? What are we doing? Oh no. We are going to my apartment and Dad is going to install my curtains. Happy Lunar New Year. Say hi!
Hi.
I never saw a place like New York.
Norcal.
我都为这四方份，侬都得用功啊。
Wow, so much food. For lunch, we have so many different kinds of sauteed veggies. This one has some Chinese celery and bean curd and a little piece of chicken. Oh, and then the best part, this sticky rice shumai. 12:54. We have 6 minutes together.
伊要开胃，你讲伊先吃，伊一点钟开胃嘛。
I use some non冰箱有只辣油。
没辣吧？
可能没用过这辣油，所以我就把它滴滴 for a little bit of flavor, and it's actually very spicy.
把它的嘛？
This one.
你不 spicy 吗？就是 spicy。
Deliciosa！ 为啥侬吃了哪能看上去老痛苦啊？
He thinks it's okay.
It's okay.
My mom and I are making norcal, which is like a traditional Chinese dessert for Lunar New Year. And usually it's one of my favorites. And usually we put coconut milk, but we didn't have coconut milk, we have coconut cream.
It's okay, we can try, right? We can use coconut cream instead of coconut
It'll just
milk.
be got more coconutty.
Tasty, right? More coconut flavor. I wish, huh?
More fat.
Done it?
This is powdered sugar, Mom.
Huh?
It's powdered sugar.
We can use some leftover, yeah.
1 second.
Sugar. We have some other sugar, brown
It says
sugar.
it might be okay.
Yeah. 咩？谁晓得为你是啥回事？跟你扯不是啥回事？你当呀？It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. 点子动眼呀，可是 experiment 呀 ，it doesn't matter. No，侬帮眼这个。
Yeah.
So if okay, okay. If not okay, we know next time we not okay. Yeah.
算
侬来瞎吃得罢嘞。
算
随便侬，随便好吧。 Whatever you want, you know. Yeah.
I don't want to put any.
好嘞，差不多了。
Okay. Yeah. Here, let me show
侬
you.
不要来搿搭接应眼，
No.
搿搭上它，搿是刚刚没有太白脱的。侬讲对，侬讲对不对？啥血液了？对吧？我去搞定了，刚好笑啊！好，我们等一下就有好吃的年糕啦。好臭呀！香了不得了。哦，我以为侬跟我了，我老开心啊！
Cheers. I am packing up to go home and taking some nian gao with me, or a lot of nian gao.